Up for sale, 1968 Ford Mustang. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 68 Ford Mustang, finished in diamond blue, blue interior, blue vinyl top. Sold new in Florida. I have the Marti report. I have the build sheet for it. It's powered by its original 289 two-barrel automatic transmission with power steering. And it was a factory AC car new. The car is currently finished in its original diamond blue paint from 1968, or at least what seems to be the majority of it. Of course, you know, when you get up on it, you're going to see some marks and some stuff like that from, you know, age of the paint. The best part about the car is that it has all of its original body panels, the floors front to back, trunk pan, all original to the car. Super solid all the way around. And I'll show you more about it as I go, but let me just take this time here. I want to knock on all this nice original metal on the car as I'm going around it here. Again, being original paint, that's what you're going to get. Fitment of the hood, though, as you see there, pretty much the way it should be, the way it lines up to the fenders. Of course, all original body panels. Doors line up great. They fit great, like the open and closing fitment I'm referring to. So let me show you here. Front bumper. Other than, you know, you're probably going to see a little bit of minor marking on it, but that's actually still in, you know, a nice condition here. What you would expect. It looks like the that was probably repainted at some point. It's a little shade off, but not bad. It's actually very close. I mean, that's getting stone chips and whatnot off the road, so I mean that makes sense that would have been painted at some point. Show you some more here. Of course, you're going to see marks on the original paint, but again, there's just few bubbles on the car in general, which is extremely impressive. Here you have it, 289 two-barrel. The motor has its original carb on it with the tag as well. The engine and trans were both rebuilt about 1,000 miles ago. The owner owned it for an extended period of time, like 15, something like that years. I'll have the exact year in the ad. But he did a lot of work to the car. Engine, trans, you know, power steering pump, stuff like that, water pump, you know, the tune-up, all, you know, mechanical related stuff like that, radiator, you know. There's your buck tag, which is in place here, and where the hoses would come out for the factory AC. You know, pretty cool to know that it was ordered with it. Again, the Marti report does show that. You see there, like fans, stuff like that. Like, he did a lot of work to the car, and I love that he left it original. Definitely original paint, though. I mean, when you look at the underhood, which of course is going to show its age, like that's bare steel right there. Super cool. Let's keep moving down the side of the car here. Love the hubcaps with the white walls on it. Over here you see one of the few little areas of small bubbling on the car. Again, the way the door fits all the way top to bottom, very nice. Your lower body moldings, original condition, not really dented and dinged that you see there. Vinyl top, however, has a little bit of, you know, I don't want to call it discoloration, because really, I mean, look how blue this is. Original, still nice condition. As well as, like, you know, window trim, stuff like that. This is all very presentable. As well as the glass. There's no, you know, cracks in the glass either. Let's keep going here. A couple of chips in the door jamb. I mean, that's without a doubt expected. Let's go in here. He did a lot of interior stuff too, you know, newer carpet, front bucket seat covers, new dash pad, and, you know, the gauge cluster, all the black that goes around. I mean, yeah, I'll get to that. Let's do the door first. Nice condition. Your original VIN tag is in place here. I'm sorry to do that while I'm recording. Definitely original. I mean, there's patina on that. That's not a replacement one. That's cool to see. And again, as expected with original paint, you know, you're going to get patina in some of the door jambs. But here's your Marti report. Tudor hardtop, 289 2-barrel, diamond blue paint, which is what it is, blue vinyl standard seats, which is what they are, Jacksonville DSO, which is pretty cool, 279 rear axle, C4 automatic, power steering, AC car, AM radio, and tinted glass. And then here is your build sheet, which is pretty cool to see. So both of those are, you know, included, of course. Your front bucket seat, other than a few, you know, little marks on there, that's very nice condition. The other side shows even less wear. Again, your gauges and, you know, like this stuff looks, I don't want to say perfect, because, you know, pretty much in excellent condition. Your factory AC controls with the vent, that's, again, super cool. The dash pad was replaced. So again, that's, you know, new. Love the way the dash looks, very crisp. Headliner, which is mint. Definitely new. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah, no rips, no tears on that. Back seat, also very, very nice condition, as well as like your little Mustang door panels that are there. So the interior on the car, very, very nice all the way around. Again, doors open and close very nicely. Nice fitment there. Little water spots. Another nice thing, no bubbles down on the lower. Impressive, very impressive. And I mentioned that I believe front to back, all original floors. Trunk pans, all original as well. No patches. As we all know, they're susceptible to them, and it's nice to see one with all the floors original as well as the body panels. You know, a little chip right there, some stuff like that. Another one there. And you know this is definitely original because, like, look, like a buff through spot, and that's just, you get up on it, that's like metal right there. You see a couple little, you know, bubbles around this area. I feel like this probably holds moisture over the years. If I didn't already show you. Of course, straight for being original. Your back bumper, pretty much just about the same condition as the front. You know, a little bit of marking on it, but still nice. Back deck, good looking, not really messed with, complements the interior nicely. Pop this guy open. Where should I start? Nice stamping there. Nice stamping there, which if you can see that, there's a little bit of stuff there. Nice stamping there. There's that one that I showed. Nice stamping right there. It looks like he put a new gas tank in it and painted the trunk, making it look, you know, presentable. You see your original quarters in it on both sides. And, yeah. Not really too much to show you here, but nice, you know, nice paint in the door jambs, all original. You see a little bit of peeling over there to the original metal. Let's keep going. Oops. Oh, I broke the keychain. Look at that. Well, we're getting a new keychain, ladies and gentlemen. See a little more patina there, original paint. I know there's no bubbles down there. here's more of the vinyl top that you see. Very, very nice door fitment. Yeah, the worst spot I've seen is just a little hole right there where your finger can go through. But that's about it as far as something along those lines. This bucket seat, again, this bucket seat looks to be, you know, very lightly used. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 68 Ford Mustang, finished in diamond blue with blue interior, blue vinyl top. Pretty much exterior wise a survivor. 289 2-barrel C4 automatic, both rebuilt, number matching, power steering, previous AC car. Again, pretty obscure touch up around the antenna. Doesn't really match, but again, was touched up that way. All right, we're gonna fire it up and drive it. Thank you.